Once you've signed into Evernote, you'll get this screen. You can create a notebook depending on how you want to set up your Evernote. As you can see, I've got several different types of notebooks, and then you can go into to do and create your lists of things to do that for that day. To create a new note, you just simply click on the plus, and then this is the title that will come up on your text or uh, in your email when it comes through. So you can see it's kind of like a subject line. So if you want to do complete, for example, just as a reminder, and that's how you create a note. You can click on done. It's saved up in the cloud, and then you can access it from any device that has an internet access.